Hello everyone, Kevin from Tech Services. Today's video is going to be on mocking up a graphic t-shirt with embroidery stitches for your customer. Uh, I was asked by a customer basically, how can I quickly do this? Now there's many ways, different ways to do this. Wilcom's got some other stuff that basically you can do mock-ups and stuff like that. But I just need to quickly, take the picture and then throw the embroidery stitches and show my customer what is a quick way to do this. And this is kind of the quickest way that I found to kind of do that. Okay. So I have my logo here. We're using Wilcom 2026 current version. I have my Melco profile set on. Basically, I have my logo up on the screen. Now, the key thing here is to basically have the correct size of the embroidery stitches of what you're going to be stitching on. Obviously, left chest embroidery is what we're going to be, what my customer is looking for, and that's what I'm going to basically do a mock-up of a graphic with the embroidery on it and then send it to them. Okay. So I have that here. My logo is about 2.8 wide by 1.5 tall. Okay. And the key thing is we don't want to touch the stitches. We want the design to be the size that we're going to be actually stitching on the garment. Okay. So now what I'm going to do now to do this, we're going to do a screenshot. Now, granted, there's other ways to do it by you can already have saved the graphic of the t-shirt, JPEG or whatever. But in this example that we're going to do, it's going to be we're going to screenshot it. So either snag it by TechSmith is what I use, and or you can use the snippet tool from Windows. Okay, now on Windows snippet tool, it's the Shift key, the Windows key, and the letter S as in Sam on the keyboard. All three of those, Shift, Windows key, and the letter S as in Sam on the keyboard, and that'll pop that up, and then you can copy, screenshot the what you're trying to do. Okay, so we have all this already here. Um, I am going to turn off the grid because I don't want the grid turned on because what I'm going to do here. Plus that little center mark, that's actually, if that bugs you and stuff like that, you have to go to design, go to your auto start and end, and then just turn those off temporary, and that'll get rid of that one. Most likely. It's kind of weird how will do that. They kind of still put that there. I don't know. It's kind of weird, but you can click on the edit tool and then kind of get rid of it in this example. But right now what we're going to do is we're going to go get the graphic. Okay, so what I have now, the way that I have to do this, unfortunately, since I'm filming, um, I can't copy it or screenshot it, but I already have this already done here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bounce over to Samar, and this is the shirt that I want. I want this Bella Canvas light blue shirt, and then I'm going to be putting my logo on so I can at least get that to my customer pretty fast. Okay, so I'm just going to use the screenshot tool, Shift, Windows key, and S as in Sam, draw imaginary box, and then copy it. And then what I'm going to do is bounce back over to Wilcom. Here we go. And then I'm just going to go ahead and paste that in there. So then the key thing here is, again, we're not touching the stitches. We're going to be just we're going to be adjusting the portion of the graphic. Okay, now this is kind of weird, but it's just kind of a way to do it real quickly. Is I'm going to do like 500%. I'm just going to blow that up. Now, granted, if we look at this, I'm just going to go off there so I can actually select this, and we're still a little too big. Okay, of the graphic. So I'm going to click on the graphic, and then let's do another 50%. Let's do another 50%. Now that looks a lot better. So now I'm just going to move that over, and then I can select this, and then now I can actually put that on my left chest. Boom, done. Now, of course, again, if you click on the edit tool, you can get rid of that little X there and stuff like that. So if that bugs you or not. Now we're going to screenshot this. Okay. I know that it's the easiest way to do it. I mean, I know they imagine there's other ways to do it, but they're a little bit more time consuming that I've seen. But this is kind of a quick thing to do. Okay. So now I have to go over here real quick and I have to copy it a different way. Okay. So then we're going to imaginary, oops, gonna screenshot. Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm in the wrong mode. That's why. Okay, undo, sorry. Okay, so you're going to screenshot this from the program. So with a snippet, if you're going to use that, so Shift Windows key, I'm sorry, Shift key, Windows key, and the letter S as in Sam, and then draw imaginary box, and then copy it. Okay, um, then all you have to do from that point on is go to your email program and there, like that, and I'll paste it in there, and voila, there it is, all ready to go. That can go to my customer. You know, it's just a quick way. And right now we're less than a little over 5 minutes. So obviously, if you practice this and kind of figure out your way of doing it with what I've showed you, I mean, it'll be minutes. Okay, and then you could send that to your customer and say, hey, does this look good? Do the colors good, etc. And it's just a kind of a quick way to do it. Then going through all the other stuff that like CorelDRAW and Adobe Illustrator is setting up. It's more better for the screen printing aspect of it, but of course this is just as easy if you want to do that. Now, granted, you probably don't really see the embroidery stitches or the 3D so much in here, but if obviously you did something bigger, you would. But at least it gives a good representation of what you're trying to send to the customer, so you can actually get all that. So, cool. All right. So, um, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Please, if you give me a thumbs up and a like and stuff like that, and we'll be able to get the other videos when they come out, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.